Validate your idea by understanding what your target audience knows in customer discovery. Taking direction from Giff Constable's book, Talking to Humans, Auxigen helps craft practical questions that lead to fruitful interviews. Start with clear questions that relate directly to the target audience to get clear responses. This shows that you've done your research to go deeper into the conversation. Avoid short yes and no answers by asking open-ended questions that draw out more thorough replies. Stay objective by not asking leading or biased questions. This will give you the most authentic answers rather than steering the responses toward the outcome you hope for. Quality customer discovery gives you invaluable insights into further validating your idea or catching potential heartache before you develop a product or service nobody wants.